Learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Eric, hey, looks like we're here to watch an exciting school football match. Brandon, yes, very excited. Do you have any predictions for today's match? Eric, I don't know, but both teams have a good record this season, so we could see a great match. Brandon, sure, do you expect your favorite team to win? Eric, yes, I certainly hope so, but things could be open. Have you seen the new player who joined the team? Brandon, yes, I heard about him, he seems to be a talented player. Do you think he will have a big impact on the team? Eric, maybe, if he can adapt quickly to our playing style. But we need more stability in attack. Brandon, true, the offense has been weak in recent games. What about the guard? Has he remained consistent in performance? Eric, yes, our goalkeeper is excellent, and he made some great saves in recent matches. He is an important part of our team. Brandon, good to know. Do you think the coach will change the playing tactic in this match? Eric, it's possible, the coach is usually a genius with his strategy. We'll see what happens. Brandon, what do you think of the team's fans today? They seem very excited. Eric, yes, our fans are always special. They give the team great support. They are an integral part of this success. Brandon, we only have 10 minutes before the game starts, do you have any other predictions? Eric, let's hope for an exciting match and a win for our team. Let's enjoy the game, and we'll see what happens. Brandon, sure, let's enjoy the game and hope we win. It's really a great experience to be here on the field.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.